You don't need a big team to grow fast. Smart small businesses scale by outsourcing. Here's how you can do it too. Outsourcing means letting external teams handle non-core operations. Think design, customer support, or bookkeeping. This frees up your time to focus on strategy, sales, and product development, the real engines of growth. Plus, you gain instant access to skilled agents without the cost of full-time hires. While hiring teams can take months, outsourcing partners are ready to plug in and perform immediately. That means you can launch faster, grow smarter, and scale without the delays of building in-house. No bloated payroll, no long onboarding cycles. You scale as you grow, without the overhead. And when your business needs shift, you can scale your outsourced team up or down fast. Flexibility is built in. In fact, GBS initiatives like outsourcing contribute to headcount optimization for 66% of businesses. But you're not just hiring support. You're tapping into expert teams with proven skills, efficient processes, and cutting-edge tools. Deloitte's 2023 outsourcing survey shows that 70% of businesses developed capabilities they didn't have before through outsourcing. That means your operations run smoother from day one, making it easier to grow without building everything from scratch. So start small. Outsource one non-core function. Then reinvest the time and energy you get back into growing your business. Because the smartest small businesses don't try to do it all. They build systems. They delegate. They scale smart with outsourcing. Book a discovery call today to learn more about how you can scale with outsourcing. We are Unity Communications. Win with us.